For the second part of our cat and dog project, we are going to use the 5 kinds of lines to make patterns. You could do this with marker. So I finished tracing everything or drawing everything with my black. So now I'm going to use the 5 kinds of line to decorate this animal. And lines can be curvy. Curvy lines can become polka dots, can't they? Curvy lines can also look like waves. Or curvy lines can look like spirals. And feel free to turn your paper different directions. We are avoiding scribbles. So there's curvy. Vertical lines are lines that go straight up and down. They are great for making stripes. Horizontal lines are lines that lay down. So they're taking a nap. Diagonal lines are lines that lean. I'm trying to stretch my lines so they go across the whole section. They don't stop short. And the last kind of line would be zigzag. So you could have tiny zigzags. And I can repeat using some of these lines in different areas. Plus, Romero is known for using his signature as a line. So the way he writes his name, it looks like a scribble, but it's not. So you can write your name. Now I have patterns inside just about every section on my page. So the whole background, there's patterns using the 5 kinds of line. Same thing here. It's okay to keep the main part of the face a little simpler so we don't lose details. That's why I didn't put patterns in here. I just drew a line that'll become a spot on the dog's face. And on the cats, a lot of times Romero would put a little bit of pattern by the ears, but left most of the rest of the face alone. So that's why I left it simple. Next time that we work on these, we will work on coloring some of these things in.